So today I'll be painting my daughter's room. As you can see, it's written all over. These kids, they just don't stop writing on the wall. If you have kids, you will understand what I'm talking about. If you don't have kids, this is what's going to happen. This is the paint that I'm going to use. It's called Severe Weather. So it's the shade is Tropical Bust. It's a bit of a rough paint. So when you painting from enamel paint to this rough one, you don't need a first coat. You just apply the coat, the paint that you are painting, especially because this one is dark. The paint is starting to show, it's starting to close the other paint, the previous paint that was already there. You just continue brushing and brushing and brushing. And just a warning, this is not as easy as it looks on the movies where they are busy painting and it all looks nice. It's really tiring. You need to have a lot of energy while doing this. And mostly if you are right-handed, your right hand is the one that is going to get tired, because this is very tiring. Also make sure that you wear gloves on your hands. I didn't have gloves, so I just used plastic, as you can see there. And wear old clothes, because you will have paint all over you. As you can see here, I'm looking like a gogo because I'm wearing my least favorite clothes, which I know I won't be wearing anytime ever again. After here, I'll just throw them in the bin, or even if I wear them, I'll just wear them to be around the house when I clean. They are not really clothes that I will use in the future. Let's paint. At this point, I am so tired, but I need to finish this paint. I need to finish this room because I really don't like it, and I am on a gray spray this season. So I was so tired, but I kept on painting and painting and painting until you can see now it's showing that I'm almost done, because you can see the whole wall is covered with the gray paint, and I had to go behind as I'm hiding there hiding to paint the other side of where there's a wardrobe in.
It's not you.
Oh.
You did this.
painting, make sure you wash your brush for the next use, because if you don't wash it, it won't be usable. That means you're gonna have to go buy a new brush. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, and hit the notification bell. See you on the other side.